Good afternoon, everyone. Can you guys see this? Where is it? Right here. Because this is gonna be our Tagalog word. Right there. That's where I got these from. Right here. So our Tagalog word is Hibla. 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 So let's have an example of using our Tagalog word hibla. Hibla ng buhok. Hibla ng buhok. Hok. Hok. Hibla ng buhok. So let's say that again. Hibla ng buhok. Let's say it again. Not too slow, not slow, but let's say the example again with the usual pace that it should be said. Hibla ng buhok. Hibla ng buhok. Hibla ng buhok. Ayan lang para sa ating Tagalog word of the day. Ayan lang para sa ating Tagalog word of the day. Ayan lang para sa ating Tagalog word of the day. So that's all for our Tagalog word. And let me know, guys, if I'm speaking just right with the Tagalog examples or with the Tagalog word, or do I need to say it a lot more slower? So it's time to go to the store and might as well do another Tagalog word since I'm already outside.